everybody, and welcome to another episode of Kitchen ABCs. I'm Chef Cheryl, and we thank Renza for all their support for our program. Now, I have a special guest, if you haven't noticed yet. I have my friend Sky. How you doing today, Sky? Yay! Well, Sky came here because she wants to tell us all about our special weekend coming up. It's called Chase and Sky's Possum Weekend. It's coming up February 19th through 21st. We're gonna have all kinds of fun. And you're gonna be there, right, Sky? Along with your friend Chase and Ryder. So we hope you can come visit us then. And just in your honor, we're gonna make a special recipe today. So we'll go ahead and make that, and we'll see you later. Okay, bye. For those of you at home, I'm known as Chef Cheryl here at the museum, but for 3 kids, I'm known as Grandma Cheryl. And I just happen to have my 3 grandkids here on Zoom. This is something fun since we all can't be together. Sometimes it's fun to cook with people on Zoom, right? So they've got all of their supplies, I have mine, and so we're gonna cook together today. And because we have Paw Patrol coming up soon, we thought we would make something called puppy chow. Does that sound like fun? Now, we're not gonna feed it to our puppies, okay? This is really a recipe for people. Because we don't wanna feed, because it's not good to feed puppies chocolate, okay? But it kinda looks like it could look like dog food, so I think that's why they call it puppy chow, okay? Okay, first thing you need to do is get some peanut butter, okay? Peanut butter's so good, isn't it? Now, there's some people that have allergies to peanut butter, but they make something called sun butter. And so sun butter doesn't cause the allergies that peanut butter does, so you can use that instead. Okay, we are going to put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter into our bowl, okay? Okay, so you can go like this and use your spatula and get it out. There's 1. And 2. Okay, smells so good. Now this recipe, it's not like a lot of things that you bake where you have to be really exact on things. If you're a little bit off and get a little too much or a little not enough, it's just fine. How's everybody doing? Everybody have their 2 tablespoons? Good job. Okay, everybody ready for the second ingredient? Yes. Okay, we're gonna put some chocolate chips in there. So you need a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. You can use any kind of chocolate chips you want. If you like milk chocolate or semi-sweet, whatever. So I have 1/4 cup, and I'm gonna put it right in my bowl. Now we're just making enough for 1 little baggie for each person. If you were making this for your whole family, you could add to the different ones. Okay, when everybody gets those all in there, we're gonna put them in the microwave for 1 minute, okay? So if you guys wanna get your grown-ups to help you, then you can put them in the microwave for 1 minute. So can you guys tell people what your names and your ages are? Who wants to start? How about Eileen? No, you don't want to start? Cormac, do you want to start?
I am 6.
You're 6, and he's Cormac, and Eileen is the oldest there. And how old are you, Eileen?
8.5.
8.5, yeah. Your birthday's coming up. And Winston, what's your name?
4.
You're 4. Good job. Oh, that's great. Okay, we should be almost done here. Okay, when it comes out, you're gonna take your spoon and start mixing it all up until the chocolate chips are all melty. It'll make everything nice and smooth. So the chocolate chips should be all melted. Guys are doing a great job. Okay, let me do a close-up shot. Okay, is yours all smooth? Cool. Okay, so now we're gonna add our Chex, our rice Chex. Now, if you like corn Chex better, you can use corn Chex. But we're gonna stick with that. And we're gonna use 1 cup of rice Chex. If you have a little more than that, that's fine. Whoops. And if you make a mess, that's okay, as long as you clean it up when you're done. And dump it in. Good job, guys. Now, when you start mixing this up, be really careful so you don't break all of the cereal. So you want to dig way down and turn it over. And dig way down and turn it over. That's called folding. And try to get all of those pieces of Chex covered in chocolate. Okay, how does yours look? Mine's all covered in chocolate.
But mine turned out pretty good.
Oh, good. Doesn't it smell delicious? Yeah.
That was also good.
Okay, when you have it about covered up, then you're gonna take a plastic bag and you're going to scoop this all up and stick it in the bag.
What's this? Here, can you scoop it in?
How's it going, guys? Are you getting it all in there? Okay, did you get it all in there?
Almost.
Okay. Are you eating already, Cormac? It's okay. Chefs have to test their food to make sure it tastes really good, right? Good. Okay, we're almost done. We have one more ingredient to add. We're gonna add powdered sugar. So we need 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Now powdered sugar makes a mess. It gets all over everywhere. So you're gonna pour 1/4 cup into your bag. you're going to zip it. And then the most fun part is to shake it. Okay, you want all of those pieces to be covered in powdered sugar. Turn it upside down, Cormac, so you can get the bottom part of it.
Daddy, my dad did that for me.
Good job. So yeah, you can turn it upside down. There you go. Shake, shake, shake. You can do a dance if you want. Good job, guys. Okay, open it up and let me see. You can see mine. Nice. Yay, I'm gonna take mine out. You can leave yours in and just eat from your sack. And you can see what it looks like. It kind of looks a little like puppy food, right? But don't feed your animal. Let's see. Oh, it's great. Are you guys gonna test it?
What is it? Cheers.
Is it delicious? Good, I'm glad. Maybe you can make some for your parents when we're all done. That would be fun. It's so good. It was so nice to get to cook with you guys today. I hope you had fun. It was fun for me. So we're gonna go now. So love you guys. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.